Hey, how are you doing today? I hope you know how wonderful you are. If you are new here, I am Teresa, and thank you for coming by. If you are a subscriber and coming back, thanks, friends. So we are going to start working on Christmas journals. And I bought these two things last year at the clearance for, these are Michael's. They have they're 12 by 12 paper pad, which is about everything you need for scrapbooking. So one we are going to turn into a folio, I think. I might change my mind. And the other one we are going to do a regular journal. I love this one. It has lots of Santa, snowmen, all that. And I thought this fabric we bought would go really good with it. So this is what we're going to use for this cover, and we're going to do this one today. And then to add some fabric with this one, I thought this would work really good. This has more of a woodsy type feel to it. And I might not wind up using that with this, but that's okay. So we're going to put this one aside. And we are just going to use an envelope for the cover. Which I am in love with this. So fun. Okay, so we need it this way. And let's see. We need our scissors. Oh, I don't know where my sewing scissors are. I'll just use these. Okay. This is totally not even, but I really don't care. This is going to be used just for journals or flips or whatever. Here we go. That can go to the side. And oh, perfect. Now, I definitely do not need all of this. Oh, we are going to take and cut again. Okay, I like that idea. So what we are going to do next is I'm going to put some glue on this. I have PVC glue somewhere. This is what I buy. And then we're going to cover the sides and get some, I really, I'm going to put paper on the inside. I just don't know what paper yet. did get this on Amazon. I will try to remember to link it down below. And I'm getting these corners really, really good. Okay, so we're going to do the inside, and this is going to get cut down. This is 12 by 9, so we're going to trim this down a little. And then trim this down just a smidge. And then we'll glue this on. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, we're going to set this aside and let it dry. Then I'm going to do a decorative stitch around the edges. So while we do that, let's open up and see what's in this. We have some bling. That will be fun. Oh, look how pretty. Oh, it looks like you get 2 of each. And these are, it's not paper, it's like, and it's not like thick like cardstock, but it's there. It's up there in size. Got some plaid. That's pretty. I love that. Okay, now that's all the paper. And now we have stickers. Oh, look at this, washi stickers. How fun. Alphabets. I don't normally do alphabets, but we'll give it a try. And what are you? Oh, you are Chip. You are these things. My brain's not working, sorry. How fun. Oh, and then you get some straight colors. Well, this is gonna be fun. If you like what you see, please give this a thumbs up and think of subscribing as soon as that is dry. Thank you for joining me today. We will be doing the rest of this on Sewing Tuesday. And thank you. Thank you. I am not the most consistent. And you guys are all still sticking with me. Sometimes health does not let you be consistent, which really sucks. So thank you so much. I love you guys. I will see y'all next time. Bye.